AI won't take your job, people using AI will. That line is only half true. In the next 24 months, millions of roles will be hollowed out before managers admit it. If you're ambitious, you need an early warning system and a pivot plan you can start tonight. These are the 7 signs your job is on the chopping block, and exactly how to reposition before the meeting invite arrives. Sign 1, your output is text, numbers, or pixels that follow rules. If most of your week is drafting emails, summaries, reports, briefs, proposals, CRUD code, routine designs, or reconciliation spreadsheets, you're in the strike zone. Models already do passable first drafts and good enough iterations at near zero cost. Managers don't need permission to replace the first 70% of the work with prompts, then distribute the last 30% among fewer people. Pivot, move up the stack. Specialize in high-stakes versions of your craft, compliance-sensitive copy, revenue-critical analytics, safety-critical code, or add a layer of decision support that converts model output into business choices. Sign 2, your value is keystrokes, not outcomes. If your performance review praises responsiveness, formatting, or polish while ignoring revenue, cost, risk, or time saved, you're easy to automate. Busywork has perfect AI product-market fit. Pivot, tie your role to money. Redesign your responsibilities around one measurable business metric. Turn tasks into SLAs, lead response time, qualified pipeline created, unit cost reduced, incidents prevented, and publish a before/after dashboard. When your boss sees dollars, you become the person protecting the scoreboard, not polishing slides. Sign 3, your boss forwards prompts more than problems. When leaders circulate, try this prompt pack, instead of giving clear objectives, they're testing whether the team can be replaced by tools plus one editor. If your 1:1s become brand new workflows inside chatbots, the reorg memo is drafting itself. Pivot, become the toolsmith. Build vetted, documented workflows that compress cycle time and reduce error, then train the team. When you own the system that boosts everyone's output, you become the multiplier they keep, not the seat they cut. Sign 4, procurement is buying AI copilot seats without asking you. When vendors bundle assistants into the tools you already use, CRM, IDE, design, office suites, management assumes baseline adoption and recalculates headcount. The budget line is the obituary. Pivot, claim the cockpit. Propose a pilot with strict metrics, time to draft, error rate, tickets closed, revenue per rep, run A/B teams, publish the gains, and reposition yourself as the person who extracts ROI and sets policy on accuracy, privacy, and human in the loop. Sign 5, your company sells information, not transformation. Media, research, basic support, and template-based services are easiest to clone by models trained on the open web. If your differentiator is speed and volume, a competitor with better prompts will outrun you by lunch. Pivot, bolt-on transformation. Add implementation, integration, compliance, or change management so clients pay for outcomes they cannot download. Bundle your insights with hands-on delivery, guarantees, and risk sharing. AI floods markets with advice, humans win by owning the finish. Sign 6, your role is a relay, not a decision. If your day is passing drafts between upstream and downstream teams, stitching files, scheduling, or updating systems with status, you are middleware, and software replaces middleware. Pivot, move to the edges. Get closer to customers, regulation, or revenue. Ask to own a metric end-to-end, not a handoff. The people who talk to buyers, navigate risk, or sign off on money are the last to be automated because they carry context and consequences. Sign 7, your company measures hours, not impact. Timesheets, but-in-seat culture, and task quotas reveal an org that buys labor, not results. When AI lifts average output, those models shed labor first. Pivot, reframe your job as a product. Package what you do with a promise, SLA, and price anchored to value created. Internally, write a one-pager called How I Drive Revenue, Reduce Cost, and Cut Risk, then execute against it for 30 days. Make your manager's life easier, and their spreadsheet will keep you. Here's the pivot plan you can start tonight. Goal: become the person who uses AI to deliver outcomes management can't ignore. Step 1, today, document your top 3 recurring deliverables, then benchmark an AI baseline. Time yourself doing each task with and without a model, and record quality, speed, and errors. Keep screenshots. Step 2, this week, design a workflow that cuts cycle time by 30% while increasing accuracy. Add guardrails, source citations, privacy rules, and a human review checklist. Share the before/after with your manager and offer to train the team. Step 3, this month, tie your new workflow to a number the business cares about and publish a simple dashboard. Become the owner of that number. Step 4, 60 days, move rooms. Join one community where buyers or decision makers gather, ship a teardown that saves them money, and ask for a small pilot with a capped risk. Step 5, 90 days, stack a second income route using the same skill, advisory, templates, automation packages, or a microcourse, so you are no longer single-threaded to one employer. If you spot 2 or more signs in your week, accelerate. Book a meeting with your manager framed around outcomes, not fear. I've cut draft time by 42% with a verified workflow and can raise pipeline by owning X metric. Can I pilot this for 30 days? If they block you, that's also data. Take your proof pack, before/after assets, metrics, and references, to a better room. Utility collapses hierarchy, receipts replace resumes. For job titles on the front line, support, SDR, junior analyst, content, QA, your advantage is speed of adoption plus customer proximity. Learn the stack your buyers use, wire AI into their pain, and charge for resolved tickets, booked meetings, prevented churn, or defects avoided. Tie your work to money and you become hard to cut, easy to hire. Finally, protect downside, 3 months cash, no dumb debt, strong relationships. Decide once to turn AI into outcomes. Tonight, one workflow, one metric, one ask. Now,